Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see a login error when trying to access to the Barclays app, double check that your membership number or username and passcode are entered correctly. Then make sure your caps lock is turned off and there are no typing errors. If you have tried logging in multiple times with the wrong details, your account may be temporarily locked for security reasons. So, always double check before entering your passcode. Make sure caps lock is on, you have given the right alphabets, and make sure you have entered your password correctly. Then wait for a few minutes or reset your passcode using the forgot password option on the login screen. If the login errors continues, contact Barclays support to verify account restore access, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.